New Christmas activities are launched. Enjoy more discounts. New users can enjoy an additional 5% discount. Buy 800 IPS and get an additional 800 IPS as a gift. If you are interested, you can click the link below to register. Explain how to use API. Open the client and click API. You can choose according to the country, city, region, etc. you want. Then click Search and click Copy. Enter your name and select API. Then select PIA S5 Proxy and select Success as the proxy type. Enter the link you copied earlier. Detection successful. Click Authentication, then click Open. You can see the successful IP of your proxy. The operation is completed.